Today we will see sum number 12 of chapter number 9, accounts of non-trading concern. From the following information of Sanket Sports Club for the year ending 31/3/15, it is not 21/3/15, it is 31/3/15. Prepare an income expenditure account for the year ending on that date. Receipt and payment account for the year ending 31/3/15. Receipt and payment. To balance brought down 8,000, to subscription 50,000, to entrance fee 4,000, to annual function income 10,000, to sale of scrap of old sports equipment 2,000, to donation for sports equipment 10,000, to sale of tickets of drama 20,000. By salary 24,000, by drama expense 10,000, by general expense 6,000, by audit fees 2,000, by sports equipment 17,000, by honorarium to secretary 5,000, by stationery and printing 4,000, annual function expense 8,000, bank interest expense 1,000, tournament expense 5,000, ground maintenance expense 6,000, repairing expense 3,000, sports distribution expense 3,000, balance carried down 10,000. Total of both the side is 1,04,000. Now we are additional information. Subscription includes subscription of 2,000 for the year 15-16, subscription outstanding 3,000 for the year 14-15. General expense include prepaid insurance rupees 500, salary outstanding 2,000, depreciation on sports equipment is to be provided 3,000, 50% of entrance fee is to be capitalized, and stationery stock is rupees 200. Now here all the adjustments I have marked here. First of all we will see all the adjustments. After that we will see other entries. Now here first two adjustment is related to subscription. First is subscription includes subscription of 2,000 for the year 15-16, and second is outstanding 3,000 for the year 14-15. Now here one word that includes, whenever it is written includes, it means we have to minus. Whenever it is written includes, it means minus, and outstanding means plus. So first adjustment, it is related to subscription. Subscription is rupees 50,000. Now subscription, it is income for the club, so we will write on income side by subscription. Now first adjustment, that subscription include for the year 15-16 2,000, so we have to deduct it, and outstanding of 14-15, so we have to add it. We will get 51,000. Now second adjustment, general expense include prepaid insurance of 500. See here also word include is there. Include means we have to minus. From general expense we have to minus prepaid insurance. Now general expense, it is expense, so we have to write it on expense side. General expense 6,000 less prepaid insurance 500, so we will get 5,500. Now adjustment number 4, salary outstanding. Outstanding means plus. Outstanding means plus. So your salary is 24,000, so we have to add outstanding 2,000 means 26,000. Salary is expense, so we have to write it on expense side. Now adjustment number 5, depreciation on sports equipment is to be provided rupees 3,000. Now sports equipment is assets, and this transaction is related to balance sheet asset side, but there is no in this sum no question is there for preparing balance sheet, so we have to give second effect of this entry. So second effect of this entry will come on income and expenditure expense side, to depreciation on sports equipment rupees 3,000. Now here 50% of entrance fee is to be capitalized. As entrance fee is income, so we have to write it on income side. By entrance fee 50%. Now your total entrance fee is given in receipt and payment account is 4,000, and from that we have to take 50%. So 50% of 4,000 is 2,000. Last adjustment is stationery stock is rupees 200. Now here stationery stock. Your stationery and printing is given 4,000. So we have to minus stationery stock from that and we will get 3,800. Now first is balance brought down. Second, subscription that we have finished. Entrance fee also we finished. Now to annual function income. As it is income, we have to write it on income side by annual function income. Afterwards, the sale of scrap of old sports equipment 10,000. It is also income, so we have to write it on income side by sale of scrap of old sports equipments. To donation for sports prizes. Now donation is related to balance sheet liability side. Here we are not preparing balance sheet, so this entry will not come. It to sale of cricket drama. Now here sale of tickets of drama. So here it is income. Whenever we are selling something, we get money, so it is income for us. So it will come on income side by sale of tickets of drama 20,000. Now here salary we have finished. By drama expense, it is expense, so we have to write it on expense side. Afterwards, audit fee is also one type of expense, so we have to write it on expense side. Afterwards, honorarium to secretary, it is also expense, so we have to write on expense side. Annual function expense, it is also on expense side. By bank interest expense, tournament expense, ground maintenance expense, repairing expense, all these expenses will be written on expense side. Now we have sports prize distribution. Now sports prize distribution is related to balance sheet liability side. So it will come in balance sheet. Now here total of income is 85,000. Total of income is 85,000. From 85,000, if we deduct all these entries, there will be difference of 6,700. So we can tell that income is more 6,700 from expense. So we can write here to excess of income over expenses. Whenever income is more than expenses, at that time we have to write the excess of income over expenses. It means income is more than expenses.